If you haven't heard about HelloFresh, you're missing out. I've been using this meal service for years now, and it's made my life so much easier. If you're like me and you hate grocery shopping and trying to think of what meals to make for the week, this service is perfect for us. I love the convenience of it because I can always count on having fresh ingredients already pre-portioned right to my doorstep. They offer tons of different meals each week to choose from, varying serving sizes, and you can select your dietary restrictions, making this the perfect choice for almost anyone. Now for this day, I decided to prep the miso apricot salmon to have after my workout. Most meals can be prepared in about 30 minutes, so there's no excuse for you to ruin a good workout by eating some junk food. For each of the meals, they have all of the ingredients with the exception of the proteins packaged in a paper bag. You get the right amount of ingredients so nothing is wasted. I also love this service because they introduced me to tons of new ingredients I would have never tried and meal combinations. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Way better than some fast food if you ask me.